Greetings! I'm delighted to have you here as we dive into the topic on how to create users in elDoc using CSV Import functionality. If you have a large number of user accounts to create, elDoc offers a handy CSV Import functionality. This allows you to import user information quickly and efficiently, saving you valuable time and effort. How to get started? Simply navigate to the Administration menu and click on the Users tab. Now, take a look at the CSV Import button. It's like a magic wand that opens up a world of convenience. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a page that holds the key to unlocking your importing potential. On this page, you'll find a quick guide outlining the essential parameters your CSV file needs to have for a successful import. Make sure to give it a thorough read to ensure a seamless experience. Once you've prepared your CSV file, it's time to bring it to life in elDoc. How? It's as simple as a couple of clicks. Select the option, Commit Data to BD, from the drop-down menu, and then hit that captivating Process CSV File button. Now, let the magic happen. Watch as elDoc effortlessly imports all your users, bringing them into the system with just a few clicks. It's like witnessing the birth of an efficient and organized user database right before your eyes. So, why wait? Claim your free trial of elDoc right away.